The Civic was lord of its space in the late 1980s, with each and every new one flying out of American Honda showrooms so rapidly, and for the most part valued well above MSRP, that specific corporate directors got rich by shaking down stock-starved dealerships. The fourth-age Civic Wagon wasn't sold in remarkable quantities of its hatchback or vehicle brethren, or even the two-seater CRX form, yet proprietors adored them and most remained in the city for a decent couple of decades. Here's one that made it to age 28 preceding being rejected in Northern California. This one made it tantalizingly near the mysterious 200K check. Did it neglect to breeze through California's stringent emanations test? Did it get an excessive number of stopping tickets? Or on the other hand, did the Achilles foot sole area of 1980s Honda's motors, the head gasket, at long last give out? The greater part of the Japanese 1980s wagovans that I find in junkyards nowadays have four-wheel drive, in light of the fact that those are the wagons most worth settling as well as paying stopping tickets for. 10 years back, however, most disposed of Civic wagons had front-wheel drive like this one. By 2018 models, the 92 torque, 1,473cc D15B2 4-pot in this auto would be considered deplorably understrength. The 89 Civic Wagon scaled in at a featherweight 2,130 pounds, nonetheless, around 500 pounds lighter than a 2018 Honda Fit, and these autos were considered adequately energetic for the time. By 1989, the once creative CVCC framework was almost such a distance out, and electronic fuel infusion had changed the underhood multifaceted nature of Hondas from outline the universe frightening to truly straightforward.